Introduction to the 2024 Nissan Sylphy. The 2024 Nissan Sylphy is a compact sedan that combines modern design, advanced technology, and efficient performance. Known for its reliability and comfort, the Sylphy continues to be a popular choice for drivers seeking a stylish and practical vehicle. 1. Design and exterior. The 2024 Nissan Sylphy features a refreshed exterior design that emphasizes sophistication and aerodynamics. Key design elements include V-motion grille. The bold V-motion grille gives the Sylphy a distinctive and dynamic front fascia. Sleek LED headlights. Equipped with LED headlights and daytime running lights, the Sylphy offers enhanced visibility and a contemporary look. Streamlined body. The aerodynamic body shape not only improves fuel efficiency but also gives the Sylphy a sleek and modern appearance. Alloy wheels. Available in various sizes, the stylish alloy wheels enhance the overall aesthetic and performance of the vehicle. 2. Interior and comfort. Inside the 2024 Sylphy, comfort and technology take center stage. The cabin is designed to provide a premium experience for both the driver and passengers. Interior highlights include spacious cabin. With ample legroom and headroom, the Sylphy ensures comfort for all occupants, even on long journeys. High-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, premium upholstery, and refined trims create a luxurious environment. Advanced infotainment system. The central touchscreen display supports navigation, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, providing seamless connectivity and entertainment. Comfort features. Features such as dual-zone automatic climate control, heated seats, and a sunroof enhance the driving experience. 3. Performance and efficiency. The 2024 Nissan Sylphy is designed to offer a balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making it an ideal choice for both city driving and highway cruising. Performance aspects include efficient powertrain. The Sylphy is equipped with a fuel-efficient engine, typically a 1.6-liter or 2.0-liter inline-4, providing smooth and responsive performance. Continuously variable transmission (CVT). The CVT ensures seamless acceleration and optimal fuel efficiency. Driving dynamics. With a well-tuned suspension and responsive steering, the Sylphy offers a comfortable and engaging driving experience. 4. Safety and technology. Safety and technology are at the forefront of the 2024 Nissan Sylphy, featuring a range of advanced systems designed to protect and assist the driver and passengers. Key safety and tech features include Nissan Safety Shield 360. This suite of safety features includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane departure warning, and high beam assist. Intelligent driver assistance, adaptive cruise control, traffic sign recognition, and intelligent around view monitor enhance convenience and safety. Robust structure. The Sylphy's body is engineered to absorb and dissipate impact energy, providing enhanced protection in the event of a collision. 5. Market position and value. The 2024 Nissan Sylphy positions itself as a value-oriented compact sedan that offers advanced features, modern design, and reliable performance at a competitive price point. It aims to attract a wide range of buyers, from young professionals to families looking for a dependable and stylish vehicle. Conclusion. The 2024 Nissan Sylphy is a well-rounded compact sedan that excels in design, comfort, performance, and safety. With its combination of modern features and efficient engineering, the Sylphy is set to continue its success in the competitive compact sedan market. Whether for daily commuting or long-distance travel, the Sylphy provides a reliable, comfortable, and enjoyable driving experience.